Hey guys, what's up? Today it's a special occasion. Not because of Barbie, but because me and my sister, well, just me, I kids and her. She's the one that eats crayons and stuff. We've been doing YouTube for a year in 10 days.
That sounds so retarded.
We didn't know, but then I went on a channel today. I looked on the about. It said February 18th, 2014. Oh. Bazinga. Okay, guys, we don't know. This is gonna be a short video.
No.
Is this?
Celebration.
Stop it, Will Smith. I paid the bill. Smoke weed everywhere.
What do I have like a red tone to me?
How did you see? It's just like this. Says take a selfie with me. We're gonna take a
Wait. I need to do something. No,
Let's
please.
kind of skip this thing back.
So, how you guys doing? By the way,
You guys should watch our Harlem Shake video. The Harlem Shake, she's like, looks like she was having a seizure while standing up. No joke, man. She's like, Have you ever noticed on this camera, like, okay, look at my hand. It's already gone. It's like, it's like,
but first,
let me take a selfie. Dude, that was on Dumb and Dumber. Got like breakthrough. Just what was this on? Got breakthrough. Breakthrough. You know, like breakthrough every
that was
barrier.
girlfriend was talking about him.
Okay, guys, we don't. It's just,
Passion's weird. And that way.
That's why you talk to her.
And the stalker way.
She's not a stalker like Ashley, man.
Yeah.
Your phone's still on.
I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. That's fantastic. Living plastic.
She asked you what you want to talk about too.
Yeah. I don't know what I've been told. That booty got me like.
Gab needs you.
That booty got me like.
You said awesome. I do not wear it out.
That face though.
Nothing. I just put my makeup on. Girls these days, man.
My wore off since I was laying down.
Guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, subscribe.
Wait.
But first,
let's play Mario.
we will see you guys next week. Stay classy, America.